Welcome to Nest. We're going to show you how to set up and install your indoor Nest camera. There are a few simple steps. Set it up with the Nest app. Find a good location, then test the video stream. Mount it if you want. Everything you need to get started is included in the box. The contents are a little different for each camera. Indoor Nest cameras are designed to be freestanding, but if you want to mount it on the wall or ceiling, you'll also need some simple tools. A Phillips screwdriver or power drill with a Phillips bit. For harder surfaces like brick or stone, you'll need a masonry bit and wall anchors. For setup with the Nest app, you'll need a compatible phone or tablet. Be sure to have your Wi-Fi password handy too. Go to nest.com/requirements for more information. To stream video, you should have a Wi-Fi network with a broadband internet connection with at least 2 megabits of upload speed for each Nest camera in your home. Don't install your camera just yet. We'll start by plugging it in and setting it up with the Nest app. Plug the power cable into your Nest camera. Then connect the power adapter to the cable. Then plug your camera into an outlet that's close to where you want to place it. Your camera will start up, and its light will turn on. Now you'll use the app to connect your Nest camera to Wi-Fi. If you're new to Nest, go to the Apple App Store or Google Play to download the Nest app. Launch the app to create an account. Once you're signed into your account, tap the plus sign to connect your camera. If you're already using the Nest app, tap the settings icon. Then select Add Product. The app will then guide you through a few simple steps. First, you'll scan the camera's QR code. This will let the app know which camera you're setting up. If you're having trouble scanning the code, make sure you have good lighting and that you're not casting a shadow. Start with your phone about a foot away and move it slowly closer to the code. It doesn't need to fill the box in the app to scan. Next, you'll give your camera a location name. The app will use this when it sends you notifications from your camera, so pick one that makes sense to you. Now you'll connect your camera to Wi-Fi. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your password. If you already have a Nest product in your home, your camera may try to use it to connect to the network. If your camera has trouble connecting, you may need to move it closer to your router or the assisting Nest product. The app will let you know what to do. If you see an error message or need more help connecting your camera, visit nest.com/pair. Now that your camera is connected to Wi-Fi, place it where you want. You may already have a good idea of where you want to put your camera and how you want to install it. But here are some things to consider. Indoor Nest cameras have wide-angle views, so they can look over a large area. So, for instance, you might be able to place your camera so it can see who comes in your front door, as well as what happens in your living room. Ideally, you should place your camera so you can clearly see someone's face as they walk in front of it. You can also focus on a specific area within your camera's view. Once you've placed your camera, use the app to zoom in and get the view exactly how you want it. There are also some things that you shouldn't do when placing or installing your camera. Don't cover your camera or try to conceal it in a box or enclosed area. This can cause it to overheat and disconnect from Wi-Fi. Placing your indoor Nest camera near a window so it can see outside also isn't recommended. Reflections from the glass can affect your camera's night vision. Prolonged exposure to direct sunlight can cause it to overheat and disconnect from Wi-Fi. You also shouldn't paint your camera. This may void your warranty. However, you can paint the power cable and cable clips to match the wall if you want. Once you've found a good spot for your camera, you'll test that it can stream video from there. If you're going to mount your camera, hold it exactly where you'd like to mount it. If you don't see the camera video in the app, try moving the camera a bit. Sometimes even a few inches makes a big difference and improves the Wi-Fi connection. Mirrors, large appliances like refrigerators, and other large objects can affect the Wi-Fi connection. If moving your camera a little doesn't help, look for another place to put it and check the video stream again. You should mount your camera only after you've checked that it can stream video from the spot. Use the wall mount as a guide to mark holes if you need to drill, then use the included screws to mount it. That's it. To learn more about your Nest camera and how to use it, visit our support website.